Broad. Is it this one from Jim? I can't believe that didn't work. What in tarnate? What kind of fucking tree did they plant here? Just give it some more gas. Hey, kid, get the fuck out of here. You're in danger. That tree's gonna go flying once they uproot it here. Man, how is that not working? Let's get another car. Thanks to the Prime Biz and the resub madness. Are they just yanking it down raw, like they haven't cut that tree at all? This is a crazy plan, because that tree's just gonna fucking crush everything around it when it does fall, if it does fall. Yeah, just give it all the gas she's got. Engage the nitro booster. Thanks to the Prime Slushy.
Nick!
Get the fuck out, Nick. It's a war zone. A battle between man and nature.
Were they not home?
Thanks to resub Motto Ash. Already seen the neighbors fighting with brooms. Thanks to Prime Ribades. Do they ever get it down? Almost is right. I was about to fall. She's about to give. Looked like he really gunned that one. It's working! I say like 3 more good ones. Maybe the driver goes through the windshield. Oh, no. After all that work, that wouldn't have happened with a Jeep Wrangler. There's a tier 1 lips, and the gift sub feels bad. How common is this? Is this like the actual redneck technique? That looks like it's gonna be pretty hard to remove. But it's nothing a Dodge can't fix. Or maybe this guy's just country strong and can rip it out himself. Oh, it's already loose. Bunch of goddamn cheaters. Thanks to tier 1 Sean in the Prime Skate. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. The tool in every good tree removal's toolbox. A truck to just slam it into. Is he actually just gonna fucking full throttle hit this thing? Oh, no, okay, no, he's smart. He's just gonna Slowly push it. Yeah! Alright, alright. Good technique. Don't be afraid to floor it. Maybe honk at it, weaken it. Man, don't be such a bitch. Get some speed. This is not gonna cut it. If anything, you're repairing the tree. Oh. You didn't even need the truck. That's underwhelming. Damn. Redneck tree service.
What you're about to see is very dangerous and being performed by people crazy enough to consider themselves professionals.
Thanks for the warning.
Tree work should be done by licensed professionals.
Disagreed.
Do not try this at home.
Tree work can be done by anybody, as long as they got a Miller Lite in their hand.
That tree.
Thanks, Resub JR.
Right
or call me RJ.
with a little
You give
redneck
some
tree
oldie.
service, and Teddy's going to cut the base. I'm going to pull on the ropes, and we're going to try to get it to fall in the direction that we want it to. So let's see how this works out. You ready, Ted? I'm ready. All right, let's do it. Here we go.
Using actual
Teddy first
tools?
cuts
This
a
isn't
wedge out of the
redneck at
trunk in the
all.
direction he wants the tree to fall. Then grab the rope and begin pulling as Teddy makes a single.
That was fun.
Underwhelming. Didn't even use a truck.
Just tell you you're gonna take that one end off.
They were going to take this little bit off right here.
Why? Why?
Okay? We're just going to take half this tree out.
Okay. Yeah, like
To the best of
surgery
our
here.
ability.
Nice and precise.
Without taking the other half.
Thanks bits Tori and Wiener.
We got it.
Lightsaber duels, huh? That worked pretty well.
Perfect. You can't get no better than that. Perfect.
All things considered, that went pretty well.
Perfect job. Ford power. Perfect job. Perfect job. Perfect job.
Man, they all do the same shit. I'm starting to think maybe tree removal's easy.
Turn the truck.
Wow. Nice. Thanks to resub divot. Why would I watch that on